The Tulsa race riot of 1921 devastates all of Greenwood, but it does not destroy the dreams or spirit of its residents. Though there is little help from outside, the district is reborn as a dynamic African-American community for a while.
Even though Greenwood rebuilt itself and really had another heyday in the 1930s and the 1940s, deep Greenwood, the commercial district, would not last. And there are different reasons for it. One, of course, is desegregation. And once black Tulsans were allowed to shop in other neighborhoods, they often did.
And once that captive market was dispersed into the broader market at large, they couldn't survive. They were not economies of scale that would permit them to achieve what they had when they had, a forced audience.
Then, in the 1960s, urban renewal efforts of the federal government contribute to the community's decline. Many of Greenwood's buildings are destroyed to make way for a new interstate highway that would run right through the middle of the district. Ironically, the government programs would inflict more permanent damage on Greenwood than the riot.